Hi, hello, namaste. You're tuned to Coffee and Convo, where, yes, you guessed it right, where conversations get alive and awesome. So let's not waste our time and jump into this journey of talks where we explore new vibes and new thoughts.
Yeah, guys, before starting the session, we thank you, all the audience, for such a kind and great support. Keep showing your love, follow our page, comment your thoughts, and tag your friends and DM us for being a part of this coffee and convo. Let's build a community together. Guys, today we have a very special and fashionable guest with us. She holds a magical touch in her art of fabrics and jewelry. She is passionate and independent woman who challenged herself to find her own self and establish her own store.
Being a mother and an entrepreneur is definitely the most exhausting responsibility, but she's perfect in balancing the both and she's slaying it in style. She owns a clothing store, Vivara Boutique, and her collection of saris and dresses is just a wow. And yes, her handmade jewelry is a cherry on top. So let's welcome Mrs. Vardhini Garu for today's Coffee on Convo. So before joining this beautiful conversation ahead, I'm Vidya.
And I'm Yash. Let the talks begin.
Coffee and Convo, where the conversations get alive.
First of all, thank you so much, for giving me this opportunity and share my thoughts on this platform. Very much glad to be a part of this conversation. Thank you to the entire team, for this support and encouragement also.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome to Coffee and Convo, and thank you for being our guest. It's pretty exciting to interact with you. So I should thank Instagram for, because we got connected with you. So yes, ma'am,
Yes.
audience would love to hear more about you. So why don't you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. I'm Vardhini, based out of Chennai. In by profession, I was a HR. I worked as a HR, and post my maternity, I was not able to continue my job. But from my younger stage, I had passion for dressing and fashion, the earrings and everything. So why not? I thought of starting up with a boutique or something like that. And my dad is also a businessman, so he's also an inspiration for me. So I thought this would be the right time, instead of taking a long break post my maternity. I thought I can bring up something new, and play with the fabrics and the jewelry. So, and with, of course, with my in-laws support, my husband, my brother, my entire family is my support and strength and encouragement, for me to bring in this brand and the boutique.
Wow, that's really inspiring and amazing, ma'am. I would like to especially mention that because it's really challenging to take up something new and pursue that. So,
Yes, yes.
yeah, ma'am.
So initially, actually, maybe a year back, I started with only online, where I know my wholesaler. So I thought of, instead of stocking up here, I didn't know like how it will work out. So it took almost a year time for me to start up my own boutique at my home. So initially everything was online, where I share the catalog and everything to my friends and mutual friends. So usually I started off with this only with my close set of friends. So to see how the response would be, and even they encourage me very much. You can start your own boutique. Even they had they had given their support. So 1 year everything was online, and then I thought of I had some more time, so why not start off with jewelry making also. So jewelry making inspiration is my aunt, my mother's sister. So she was, I mean, she only taught me all the shopping, you know, this fashion and all. So from my younger age, like she's very close to me. So I asked her ideas, and she also gave me this idea. You can do this jewelry making, and I learned everything through online. So I did not go for class or anything. So I started doing handmade jewelry, and even for that there was a very good support and encouragement from my near and dear friends. So the path again continued. So I thought, let me not stop with this and let me move further. So than being stagnant, I wanted to, you know, continue further. So just very few months back, I have started stocking up the materials and everything at my home. So I have a separate room for my boutique. So currently, like I'm stocking up little by little. So I didn't want to, you know, take a very huge step. And because of this pandemic, not very sure if everyone will be able to come home and have a look at the collection. So now it goes online, and very few people come home and visit my place. And if they like something, they pick it up. So it is, you know, going like this.
Amazing,
So
ma'am.
like it's basically a stepwise move,
Yes,
like how you are
exactly.
growing a
So
little bit.
like yes, very much. So I didn't want to, you know, at a stretch, I didn't want to take a large step, and then if it didn't work out, it would be a problem. And also I have a toddler at home, so like I need to manage him, and that too now we don't have schools and nothing, so I need to engage him at the maximum at home. So taking things slow, you know, hoping it would work out and further development.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. And your collection is really awesome. So it's surely gonna click,
Thank you
you know,
so
high.
much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So yeah, ma'am. Coming to the questions part, Dale Carnegie, the best-selling author, states that inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. So, ma'am, what were your biggest fears before starting your own brand, and how did you manage to keep like everything balanced?
Yeah, exactly. That was a very big, you know, a question mark. But I see. First thing is the encouragement and the motivation which I get people around me. So as I told you earlier, my family is my biggest support system. So they encourage me, they motivate me. That is the only thing which makes me keep going and, you know, take further moves. So initially, even I had a little bit of I cannot say it as a fear, but a skeptical mindset. Like if I stock up due to this pandemic situation, I was not sure like how it will move on. But then one thing is like since I have the material and everything in hand, so I can give 100% quality assurance to my customers. So that is one thing. So they will be even more very much sure, you know, like since it comes from me than from my wholesaler. So that was one thing I was very confident about. Like people will definitely will start buying. So that was the major concern, and even my husband keeps telling like take it slow. So in business, like we cannot expect a profit at a stretch. See, I haven't started this just for the profit, but it is my passion. So I love dressing up, and you know, I give ideas to people also. So even they like it. Like it will be an interactive shopping sessions with my people. So that was the only fear. So I wanted to take things slow, like let it take a year also, you know, to flourish. But I wanted to go in a right path so that the time is not wasted, the money is not wasted. So things like that. So that was the only fear, nothing else.
Wow, ma'am. For any big event which is going to come, I'll definitely approach you. I'll have your ideas and all.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So
I'm a bit jealous now because why only women?
So it
So
works
I
like
won't,
that only, right?
I won't be getting any fashion tips from you, right? I'm so sad about this thing.
No, but there are, of course, like there are very a small percentage of men where even they are very particular about dressing. Not everyone, maybe very few. They have a color or something. They wanted to get like that only. But women, almost everyone are like that. So men's fashion is like very less compared to the women fashion. So that dominates more.
Yes, ma'am, very
Oh,
boring.
okay. So that's the kind of competitive advantage you are having, like.
Yes, yes, very much.
Okay, ma'am. So
Okay.
this brings me to my next question. So fashion. Won't you believe that fashion has different perceptions? Like many times, fashion and style are really misinterpreted as the same. So define fashion in your own words, and how is this styling and dressing up important to people?
See, fashion, like it is characterized by changes. Like people's mindset, it keeps changing. So we cannot have one thing which continues forever. So for one season, like it something particular will be or will be a fashionable one. So after a few months, it will go out of fashion. So we cannot predict that at all. So even when I stock up my stuffs, so when I see the material in hand and I purchase, I will be like, oh, this is very beautiful. So people will love to buy. But when after a couple of weeks, that will not be sold at all. That would have been sold. So it will remain. But the rest of the sarees which I thought, okay, this might get sold or this might not get sold, that would have gone. So it is like that. So we cannot predict at all. So, because customers' tastes keep changing. So even when we go for shopping, so we see thousands and thousands of sarees. But even then, we go and ask for a particular color and a particular design where he will not have that particular one, right? So it is very tough. So we cannot predict the customer taste at all. So it depends. So we should keep upgrading, like 10 days once. For initially, now my thing is like 15 days once. I keep updating my stock, so that and after a month, some people will like the earlier collection also. So
Yeah.
that cannot be predicted at all. So when, even for example, now when you have a look, so earlier this boat neck and all, it was very early thing, 80s and 90s fashion, but now they are the trend now.
Yes.
Now everyone, they wear like that only. So the trends keep changing, so we cannot predict the this thing at all, which customer wants exactly. No, that is not possible at all. Even if you do like 20 years of business also, even then you'll have a question, what will my customer like? Will they like this? Will they? So we will have this question going around our mind. So that is difficult. So but we should try to give our best. One thing is quality, that is very much important than anything else. So once if a customer likes our product, and they will definitely keep coming. So this is my very own experience. Like from the day I had started my online, so till now there are people who come and buy at my own store also. So that's the thing. So every day is a learning process. So in business, especially, like experience and learning both matter.
And how
Right.
does this styling and dressing up help people, ma'am? How is this important to people?
It again depends. Say, some people prefer a very simple cotton sari, but their jewelry will be like heavy. So that is the way of styling they do. Some people, they prefer a jasi type of saris. So it depends. So like it is again the individual way of dressing up. So everybody's style is unique. So we cannot tell this is good and this is perfect and all. But now when talking about styling, the cotton saris are taking a very They are even though it is very simple, it gives more elegance to any age for that matter, right? From even teen girls, like they prefer cotton sarees for their farewell parties, so something like that. So now not everyone prefer this very Banarasi type, the very Jasi type of sarees. They don't prefer. They want it to be simple, subtle, and elegant.
Yes, ma'am.
So for that type of sarees, my few girls who come to me, they look for a good jewelry, handmade jewelry. So sometimes they ask for customizations also. So bead colors, yeah, which is matching the saree and something like that. So we can style it up if they wanted to be customized, that can also be done.
Wow, that's quite a personalized kind of touch you are providing to
Yes,
your
yes.
customers. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, ma'am. I have the next question here. So it said that it's not the stars that hold our destiny, but we ourselves, and it's a journey so unpredicted sometimes because we don't know where our path is going. So what's that thing actually turned you from a human resource manager into a fashion expert? Like, how was the journey from that stage to this stage now?
Okay. Okay. So once I completed my MBA, I got placed in a HR consulting firm. So I started as a fresher, but so then I was given responsibilities at a very earlier stages. Like first I started with recruitment, then I went for college campuses also. So we did mass recruitment and again employee engagement, and step by step I started learning payroll also. So and then I got married and I had my baby. So post which I was not in a position to take up my job. So because it is like 10 to 6, 10 to 7. Sometimes I get back home by 8 also. So which was not possible for me at that point of time. So then this thought I had, as I told you, from a very earlier stage. But then I was not sure like if how it would go up. So then I was discussing with my husband, and my brother also gave me some ideas, and I thought first I can start with the online stuff, as I told you earlier. So from HR again, now back to a marketing person. So it is a kind of uh, two different poles. But then as I told you, I'm passionate about the fashion and jewelry. So then totally my role got changed. So now again, first initially, as I told you, I started doing online. And then as I got good response, that was a very good encouragement and a motivation for me. So if the response wasn't good, I don't know if I would have started my own brand. So since the response was good, step by step, again, I started, doing a research and how it would reach. And majorly, word of mouth is one tool, which is basically for any business. Then, collaboration, giveaways, everything is fine. Even I have tried a couple of them. It might fetch you more followers, but we don't know about the business. So the business percentage can be very less. So we do not know. Maybe people will come to know about our page when we host the giveaway and when we collaborate. Suppose then they might unfollow you, or and there are people who come and give inquire and give business also. So the major tool is word of mouth.
Exactly.
So two different have experienced HR. Now I'm going into marketing.
Quite a different shift, but you are like balancing the both, as Vidya said.
Yes. I'm loving what I'm doing. And of course, again, I keep telling you, with my family support, nothing else.
Amazing.
Exactly.
Amazing. So, ma'am, customers' shopping interests have been tremendously rising up. So now everyone has become so conscious on their own style, like you were saying that customized products and all. So everyone is
Vidya, you
very
are stuck.
conscious.
No, your question was not audible.
Hello?
Now, Vidya, you are getting struck. Just repeat it again. We will just cut
Okay.
it.
Am I
again.
audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, customers' shopping interests have been tremendously rising up. Now, like as you said, everyone has become so conscious of their own style. Uh, they want customized products and all. So, what are the changes that you would like to see in this current scenario, like in shopping?
See, there are two types of, customers are of different types. But as in my experience, like earlier when I was doing online, everything online, so there were a couple of complaints. I cannot tell it as complaints, but the difference in what they saw in the picture and what they received. So that was one major problem which few customers faced. So in the sense, in any camera, the resolution, there will be some change in the color of the product, whichever we see. So it is not going to be exactly what you see in the product. There will be slight variations, even if you take the picture in the sunlight. Okay, so that was one major thing. So most of the customers, like some people, they do like online shopping. They'll be satisfied even if there is a small change in the product. They are fine with it. But some people are very particular that they wanted the product which is as in the picture. See, that is not going to be possible, right? So that is the major issue which I had faced couple of times. So maybe they should change their perspective. Like it will be like that only, or they should change their shopping mode. That is one thing. So that is the reason now what I the store which I have, no? So if they are very much doubtful with the photo color, I mean the sari color or something, I ask them to do a video call also. So even then I'm not sure like if there is going to be any difference or something, but at least to make it very clear to them, I tell that, see, even if I have the product, the quality I can assure, but there will be mild color variations, of course. So
Yeah.
that is the major concern. And with this pandemic, many people, they don't want to step out of the house and do shopping. And also some people now they have switched on to online shopping. So people who were preferring to go and shop, and now they are doing they wanted to purchase through online. So that is one change which because of this pandemic. So maybe I don't know if they will continue, or even after the pandemic they wanted to go and shop. So not sure about it.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, exactly what you said, because there are many kind of customers who see one thing and they buy one thing and they're not satisfied
Yes.
with that.
So see, we cannot see, even me as a customer, if I go to the shop, I will look for so many saris and everything, right? So now, since my store, like I have just recently started, so I have stocks, but we cannot give varieties as huge as at shops, right? So that is one thing. But then at least I hope people's mindset change, and they should accept. At least it is not like accepting, but at least they should know that there will be slight color variations when we see in direct as well as in the picture. So that is the only thing. So other than that, should be fine.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, exactly.
It will happen
So
soon.
this brings me to the next question, ma'am. Actually, there was a recent viral video where I saw that a woman was blocked at the entrance of the restaurant, stating that the sari is not a smart outfit. Have you seen that?
No, I haven't come across. No.
Okay, ma'am. So actually, the situation is like the woman went to a restaurant and she was restricted there because they had a dress code at the restaurant, and it was said that sari was not a smart outfit by one of their employees.
No.
Yeah, so that's where I felt very much. It hit me hard. I felt that that was a disrespect to our culture and our
Yes,
ethnicity.
yes, definitely.
So, what's
See,
your take on
now
this?
actually,
Because it said
yeah,
that
tell.
dress how you like to be addressed. So how you feel about
Actually,
this?
now the trend is like even youngsters prefer to drape saris. So I have now recently, especially like than modern outfits, they drape saris. So it is our tradition and culture, of course. And at the same time, but they're liking towards sari because it looks elegant, right? So with a very simple jewelry, they do look very beautiful also. So what you mean the video which you told, it seems to be really bad, and it is like misjudging women in the society. This is totally wrong. But now sari plays a very hit role in the current generation. So they ask for like different, especially cotton. As I told you, they love cotton, Bengal cotton. Very simple, but it gives an elegant look. And with that too, if they were with the customized jewelry, they look even more beautiful and pretty.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am.
And now, not only about the sari, ma'am, dress how you like to be addressed. So that's a strong statement actually. Not only sari, maybe any other outfit also. If a girl is in seen in shorts or some tees, people easily judge others. So how do you what's your take on this statement actually? Dress how you like to be addressed.
See, no, see, it is again the individual's decision. Okay, so if I wear shorts or if I wear a modern outfit, it is my choice. So you don't even have a right to comment about it without knowing them personally. Even if you know personally, with the dress you cannot with the outfit you can definitely not judge anybody. And commenting is totally abusive. That I'm totally against it. So because we do not know their interest, their way of style. See, the same girl who wears shorts or something, the next day she can wear a sari also. So what will you tell the next day then? So that is totally wrong. It is again the individual decision, and nobody has a right to comment on anybody's dressing, be it sari or kurta or whatever. It is her choice, and she has got very much freedom and independence to do that. So nobody has the right to judge that. I'll be totally against.
Very well said, ma'am.
Exactly.
Thank you.
That was a perfect answer. Okay, ma'am. So I'll move to my next question. So brands and apps are, like booming. So many people, so many styles. So that's actually really great, but everything has its own beauty. So what's that X factor in your brand? What do you believe that, why do you believe that your brand holds, a different significance?
Okay. Um, See, my major motive was I started my boutique recently, right? Like at home. My major motive is to provide quality products, and of course, like we should keep upstocking. Like with the old, again having the same stock, it is not going to help you out, and it is not going to fetch you new customers also. So you should keep upgrading your stock. And as I told you earlier, the customers' taste and preferences, it keeps changing. So some one day they may not like the product which I've posted, but but after a few days or something, they might again come back to the same product. So asking for availability. So so that's the thing. So I tell my customers, like, I can give you 100% quality assurance for the product, the fabric which I give. So so from our end we need to keep giving our efforts. So definitely patience is very much important. So we cannot expect a win over a day. So it takes time, but again our consistent efforts speaking, getting in touch with more people, talking on business ideas, the strategies and everything. So that will definitely, help us to keep moving forward. So yes, even I'm hoping, to keep upgrading the trend also. So let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely,
ma'am.
you will be like what I have learned through your words is that the major focus of yours is on quality and providing the best experience to the customers, and that's
Yes,
the
yes.
only
Best
thing
thing.
which
Isn't it the
helps
best
in the
thing?
long.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I wanted to make sure that is on priority. And of course, like as I told you, like we do customized stuffs also. So if anybody, if they wanted a particular jewelry to be made, they can reach us out, and we make sure I get it done at the best.
Now I'm
So
very
that is one
excited.
habit of like, so if somebody, they buy a sari from us, so I ask them for a jewelry. If they want it, I can make it and I can send it across along with the sari. So it comes as, a combo type of thing. So some people prefer that also, right? Now this beaded the jewelry, handmade jewelry has become very much fashionable than wearing gold. So even college girls, they do prefer small ear charms, just for daily wear. That is enough, right? And if it is given at pocket friendly, yes, anybody will be ready to buy also. So we make sure we don't have much expensive stuffs. So we make sure it is budget friendly and pocket friendly for even college going girls. So even so that also we wanted to ensure.
Wow, ma'am. I am very excited. I need shopping right now.
Sure, always welcome.
Yes, ma'am. I'll definitely shop from your page, ma'am.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, now the question part is finished. Now we are entering into fun
Okay.
elements. So this is the fun part. First, let's
Okay.
start with coffee and convo specials, ma'am. So here you get to
Okay.
mention someone special, and you can just give a special message to them, which you want to give. Like you want to share something throughout on our platform, you can just give any special message to some special person. We'll be tagging them.
The most special person is my brother. He keeps encouraging me, do this, do that, and he keeps motivating me. And he's the one who helps me to, to take photographs, and giving some business ideas and everything. So even though like my mother, like she tells me like don't take too much of time for your Instagram page, this, that, and all. But he'll be like, see, she's doing business, so don't keep advising all these things. So he's my major support system, and I share almost everything with him, and he does the same to me also. So I can even tell it as he's my best friend too.
Wow, that's so sweet, ma'am.
So, yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
You will be surely mentioning your brother on this page, ma'am. I hope he sees
Yeah. See, I do have friends. I have a lot of friends, but special means like I can mention only my brother.
That's really beautiful, ma'am.
Okay.
And of course, my husband, because they both support me. So first is my brother, especially for this Instagram page. This thing, not only special, he's on special just for this, but he's always special for me. And of course, my husband also, like they both are special and they cannot be replaced.
Exactly.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So now we are entering into another fun part. This is a rapid fire round, ma'am. We call it as Kurkur Convo. Kurkur, the name is inspired by Kurkure. We want it to be as crisp as Kurkure. So this is Kurkur
Okay.
Convo, just a rapid fire round, ma'am. I'll be taking first few questions and my friend Yash will continue. So
Yeah.
here's my first question, ma'am. What's best thing that happened to you this month?
This month, okay. I have got a very big bulk order for this Navaratri. One of my customer had placed. One of my customer has placed a bulk order with me for this Navaratri occasion.
Wow, ma'am.
Saris, like 20 to 25 saris, and blouse pieces. They give us giveaways for Navaratri. So she had placed around 75 blouse pieces. So that is one major jackpot for my business in this month.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Moving to my next question. What's that habit of your kid which you feel very cute?
Okay. So see, he does some small mistakes or something like that. Okay. But I shout at him, but he comes and ma, please ma, sorry amma, sorry amma. So he keeps telling that again and again. So which makes me to melt and hug and kiss him. So that anger, just like that, it vanishes in less than a minute. So
That's really, really cute.
that is one thing.
Yeah. Very cute. Okay, ma'am. Next question. Online shopping or offline shopping and why?
That is a very tough question to me. See, I like shopping both ways. So during this pandemic, also like through Amazon. See, though I own a boutique or something, through Amazon, I order this home decor. I'm very much interested in this home decor. So now and then the parcel keeps coming. So I do like online shopping. Of course, I have got a couple of bitter experiences too. The expectation versus reality. But we should accept the fact. So we will not be able to do anything. And of course, I love to roam around, especially for shopping. How much ever time, be it window shopping or real shopping, I just keep going. I love doing shopping. Yeah.
True shopping.
Ma'am, do you
is-
bargain?
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
really
very
gross.
much. Yes, yes. See, basically, since I'm from Chennai, nearby, like, have you heard of T Nagar and Pondy Bazaar? You know,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That
Yeah,
is
yeah,
one
Yes,
of the,
ma'am.
yeah. So every weekend, my shopping partner will be my mom. So we both go. We take the two-wheeler and we both go, and we bargain as much as possible. And finally, whatever rate we ask, he'll give off. So
So that's actually
I miss those.
the inbuilt the
Yeah,
inbuilt
yeah.
talent which women have, I guess, because my mother is also like
Very much.
she has a huge margin of the bargain,
Very
which
much.
I get shocked when she tries to bargain with anyone. So that's something women actually have.
Yes,
I
yes,
need-
we bargain very. Actually, I miss those days. Now, because of this pandemic and with the mask and everything, we get tired. So, but earlier, I miss those days very badly. So, even if we don't shop, me and my mom, we used to take a two-wheeler. We just go for shopping, even if we buy something or just a window shopping
Window
and we come
shopping.
back. So those days we really miss so much. And I go with my aunt also. She is also my shopping partner. We both like roam around so much, and now we miss those days very badly.
Yes, ma'am, me too. And ma'am,
Yes.
I'll need some tips, ma'am. Please teach me how to bargain.
That
Ma'am,
is
Vidya is
actually,
something like
that should.
Vidya is
Yeah,
the person, if the product is priced at 100 rupees, she will go and give 150 rupees, saying that I want for this price
Oh
only.
my
She's that
God.
type of person.
I'm officially offended, but still, I'm not eligible to argue for the statement, ma'am. I agree with what he said. So I'm really bad at, making bargaining and all that stuff. I really want to learn it, ma'am.
Definitely always welcome. We'll let you know the tips and trades also.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I love you. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Next question. The song which always tops your playlist.
See, I'm not like see, I love music, okay, but I listen to a lot of stuff, be it A.R. Rahman or Ilayaraja. So Ilayaraja, like I love his music. So even be it very old songs, also we keep listening to it. So top in the sense. The list goes on and on. I will not be able to tell you one single thing.
Okay. Anything that most heard, or we want you to hum few lines, ma'am.
Okay. My husband, like when he sang this song first to me when we started talking, very first song which he sang. So I'll just sing. I'm not sure about the lyrics. Just I will. ஒரேநாள் முனைநாள் நிலாவைப் பார்த்தது உலாவும் இளமைதான் ஊஞ்சலாடுது ஒரேநாள் முனைநாள் நிலாவைப் பார்த்தது உலாவும் இளமைதான் ஊஞ்சலாடுது.
Amazing, ma'am. Amazing.
Beautiful voice, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my God.
I actually learned music like till my 10th class, but then I was not able to continue.
Wow.
So at least I sing better, not bad. At least you can listen to a few minutes.
Better is not
Ma'am,
the correct word, ma'am. You're amazing.
I am currently noting your talents and your kind of interest, ma'am, and the list goes on like this.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, that's really kind of. You're very much talented, ma'am. We are lucky to have you with us. I'm very much
Thank you.
happy with this
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
interaction.
No, I should thank you, and glad to be part of your platform. Really.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. My next question: heels or flats?
Yeah. Flats.
Okay. Favorite web series,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Web series? No, I don't. See, I don't have much patience to. I hardly watch movies, so I'm not a movie buff also.
Oh, okay.
I don't watch.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, now my friend Yash will continue the next few questions.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. So it's my turn now. So for my first question, it's not a question actually. It's a small task for you. You need to sing Johnny Johnny in the context of shopping.
This is going to be fun.
This will be fun, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I will relate to my boutique and I'll tell. Okay.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Sure.
Vivara Boutique, S Papa, quality assurance, S Papa, giving discounts, S Papa, open for freebies, ha ha ha.
Amazing,
That
ma'am.
was something very much contextual and creative.
Yeah.
On spot.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Very creative.
It was very
Your line was
contextual and
very-
creative.
Yeah. Okay. No, I was able to think only with this. With my boutique, I was not able to suddenly think of something else.
No, it was quite cool, ma'am, because
Yeah.
something on spot was amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, ma'am. My next question is the best compliment you received from a customer.
Okay. On-time delivery. So when they order the first day, maximum I dispatch the same day or the next day, definitely. So that is one major thing which I got. And also sometimes I attach a small gift along. I enclose a small gift along with the. Say if they purchase a sari, if they have a daughter, I send a small handmade earring through that. Sometimes I do that, or sometimes I give discounts. So, but majorly they appreciate on quality and timely delivery.
Okay, my next question is, how does your day start with?
My day start with a cup of coffee.
Cup of
Hashtag
coffee.
coffee and convo.
Yes, exactly. At least
Okay.
like we sit with the coffee for half an hour in the morning. Only then I start off with my routine. So, till then, without coffee, nothing.
Cool, man.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question is, any home decor tips for our viewers?
See, recently, like I have started buying small these what is the ornamental plants, right? So they look very much elegant. So they don't require much of sunlight also. So even if you can hang it in your window, now they have this magnetic stuff also to place in the fridge. It looks even more beautiful than with this plastics or something. um, Wooden or this type of plants, it makes the living room looks even more beautiful. So I have 3 to 4 saplings in our living room. So if I view our living room from the entrance of my home, I just love it. So it looks very beautiful. So maybe you can go green, something like that. So people can start doing that.
Wow,
Okay,
cool,
ma'am.
man. Beautiful.
See, this is the one I told.
Okay,
Okay,
wow.
cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful, కదా?
Lovely, lovely, ma'am. Lovely.
See, now because the sunlight, without the sunlight, maybe we are not able to see clearly. I have this near my window, so it is just straight opposite to my door.
Okay.
1 second, huh?
Yeah, no problem.
And I have this small kind of decor,
Oh,
so it is a
Oh,
kind of
this,
hanging.
okay.
okay. Wow.
So I like these type of that is one, and I have this one.
Oh, sweet.
Wow, such a like creative kind of pieces you have, ma'am,
Yes,
at your.
ma'am.
So this is one, and
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Is it a
so this
painting or a
we
sticker,
have
ma'am?
sticker. It is a sticker,
Okay, okay.
Okay.
and actually this is my son's room. We
Okay.
have
Oh, wow.
this sticker. We have this sticker for my son's room.
Oh, it's quite like.
Like how is shown in
So
advertisements and all.
yeah, so
Like a
he
Yeah.
it looks
daily
like a play school, full of.
Yeah.
he keeps checking his height daily.
Okay.
So every now and then he keeps checking and he asks me like, "Ma, have I grown tall? Have I grown tall?"
Okay.
So, so home decor has become my recent addiction also. So something or the other, I keep ordering, as for wall hanging, wall stickering, something like that. A small plants,
So
whichever.
cooking or baking, ma'am? What fascinates you?
Cooking. No, because baking, I tried couple of times. It requires more patience. Hats off to baking professionals. Like they take so much time, so much efforts. Even a small ingredient, if it goes wrong, the entire thing goes off. So cooking is better actually. Baking requires more patience. Cooking just we can, of course that takes time, but it doesn't require much time and patience when compared to baking. So because baking, I had very bad experience twice, so I don't want to try again.
Now suddenly I remember all my kitchen disasters, ma'am.
Please, please don't tell that. I still haven't had my lunch.
Okay, fine. Even I don't want to speak about them. They are too painful. We'll just skip this topic.
See, no,
Okay.
everybody at the first try baking, it is not going to work out. It comes through practice, right? So, that's nothing wrong also. Even if it had become a disaster, the next time you might do a little better.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but that became a disaster for her family because they weren't prepared for the lunch that day. So
I
Oh,
told
then,
you
oh my God.
that's very
I'm really
painful.
sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. I wanted to
Okay.
try something very special, but it turned out to be. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. So moving to the next question. What's your favorite fashion trend?
um, Now, as I told you, I prefer more of saris than salwar or kurtas. So that makes us look even more elegant. And with the recent styling, right? Like the blouses now, they do boat neck fully covered. That looks even more elegant with even a simple cotton sari.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I love that. But again, now only when we have an opportunity we can do it. Now we all sit at home, so even we don't have a chance to do all this stuff. So, but dressing up is really an art. So if you love dressing up, then that's perfect. Nothing else can match that.
I really want to
Exactly.
say this, ma'am. I was observing your bindi style. It's amazing, ma'am. It's super cool.
This is actually I'm wearing. I mean, I'll do the same bindi since my schooling. It is the same.
Okay. It's very cool, ma'am. I don't know if I can, carry that, but it's very cool.
Even like at my home, they used to tell like you should keep a red bindi, this, that, and all. But to me, this suits better here. Like it is my choice. Sometimes when we wear sari, we can keep that red bindi and all. But daily, whichever I'm comfortable, I will tell them, no, I can do this only.
Amazing, ma'am. It's very cool, actually. Really cool. I mean it.
Okay. So my next question is, ma'am, the celebrity you
Yeah.
want to collaborate with as a dress courtesy.
There are many more inspirations, for me. But now currently trending Samira Reddy, like I keep following her very often, and she supports many women entrepreneurs. Every Saturday, she tells more about women-run business. She supports women-run business. So she's my inspiration, like for.
Okay.
Maybe if I get a chance to collaborate with her in the future, I will definitely do that.
We
Definitely,
totally
definitely,
wish
ma'am.
that
So,
you get that chance, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, ma'am. So that's how we finish our kind of Kurkur Convo, the rapid fire that we named it. So
Great.
that was
It was
the end
good. It
of
was
the
fun. It was fun.
yeah question session, ma'am. So yeah, ma'am. Now the most important part.
Yeah.
How was your experience with coffee and convo? Like, what was your first thoughts when you were first approached about this and all? So please tell us about that.
Yeah, sure. See, I actually came across your page like just when I was going through the feed. So, and I saw a couple of the conversations which you had. One is Sumitra, a lady, Mrs.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumitra Sriram.
Sumitra Sriram Avar.
So yeah, and I saw a couple of other conversations too, and it was actually good, like when you get to talk to people about your business, the growth, your experiences, it is something special, right? And And even when they are very much interested to know about it, and even it is like a platform for both of us to share our thoughts. So it was quite interesting to check on your page. I guess you have recently started it, but you have had a very much, many conversations with many people. So it was very much inspiring also. So and then like even I had a couple of I have replied to your story or something, and I got some reply also. So then only I was approached from your page. Initially I was like thinking like how it is going to be. Should I write a script or something? So even I questioned somewhere. I don't know who was texting me, but I asked them like, should I prepare something? What is this, that, and all. But then I thought, okay, let us just. It is going to be a conversation. So why should we be like very much tensed or something? So in a similar way, it ended up in a very. It was too good, to talk to people, share your thoughts, and they share their thoughts. And when your encouragement and motivation, like, see, you told me like, yeah, my page is too good, the collections are good. So it is a kind of encouragement and motivation, right? So we will always feel have that happy feeling when somebody appreciates, right? So it was too good actually. This 1 hour, I cannot tell it as 1 hour. So even if we will have more topics to keep talking, right? So we can even keep talking continuously. But it was too good. I really liked it. So even see now, I get an opportunity to talk with people who already I know about them. So daily, like I talk to people, so I discuss with my own. So now, in the platform, like somebody whom you haven't met before, you're talking with them for the first time, but you feel very comfortable. So
Yeah.
you don't have that hesitation or that fear or what they are going to tell or you will not I didn't feel that also, so I was very much comfortable talking to you guys. So it is very nice actually, too good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. So that was the great experience, I would say, because as you said, we also didn't feel as we were talking for the first time, and when we first approached
Yeah,
you,
exactly.
it was like a bit we were hesitant because maybe you are like whether you would reply to us positively or not. We were like a bit nervous,
See,
but
in this as far as in this the Instagram platform, like each and everybody's support is required. So so you are supporting me and I'm supporting you. So it is like that. So it is a kind of platform where we both come to know about each other. So when I share my experience with you. So I let people know that it is a very good platform to share your thoughts and experiences. So that is how it works, right? So it is not like business for business. It is definitely not like that. But this is a kind of friendly conversation which we had, and it was really nice to catch up with people like you. It is too good actually. It is a very good initiative you have taken up, and thanks also.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
thanks to you, ma'am.
We thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. At the beginning of the conversation, we were a bit nervous, but then we felt more comfortable as the conversation
Yeah,
moved ahead.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am. So yeah, we got to learn many things. Some were very inspiring about quality and about the commitment which you have towards your boutique and everything. So it was really nice, ma'am. It was a productive conversation,
Thank
and
you.
we enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, guys, that was the conversation with Mrs. Vardhini. It was an amazing conversation where we learned about fashion, the trends, and all the perceptions that women have, and how to enter into a business and how to satisfy the customers regarding the quality and the assurance. That was the really great part of the conversation. And we would okay, guys. Till then, keep watching the videos, share your love, comment your thoughts, and share with your friends. Watch with them, and till then, we will meet for the next Friday. And be connected to Coffee and Convo. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.